folks, it's Joey. This is the unboxing of my new GoPro from wish.com. It's from China. I bought it for all the 20 euro, I think. Yes, I remember, 20 euro. So, let's unbox it. Voila. This is the box. All the way from China. Mainland China. Voila. Here she is. Ultra HD DV 4K resolution. Look. So it's already open. Why? Something is missing. Ah, no. This is for hit. No. Look. This is the remote switch, I think. Yes. This is the strap. You want to connect it in your scooter, on a motorbike. Strap. Voila. That. It's not an original, it's just a copy of GoPro. Chinese made. This is the lens cover. Clip. I don't know how to use it, but I will see after. I think this is the housing. Lot of accessories with USB cable for charging. Yes, this is the accessories for connecting your GoPro to the scooter. Another tripod mount. Another strap. Another cable here. Clip. Another one. Another one. What is called? What's this? Another one. Some papers. Specification. Not for cleaning your lens. And this is the another notes. Like a tape. It's a lot of like this. I don't know how to And here she is, our GoPro. Yeah. Yes. That is the setup. I tested it, but there's a problem downloading 4K resolution and 1080p resolution. That's why I'm just using 720p. I don't know the problem. Maybe it's a memory card or the camera itself. That's why I'm very frustrated. So well, it's made in China. That's why that's the actual video for 720p. So guys, please help me to fix that problem. Actually, I downloaded, but I can't play the videos. The sound is playing, but video is not playing. I don't know why. Please help me. Okay, folks, this is Amateur Musician Channel. This is Jerry. Thank you very much, and please subscribe, like, and share. God bless all. Thank you.